Hey guys, thank you for being here. I'm sharing a quick message for those who are becoming. I'm on location, this Skycomish River Park, with my two stepsons. So if you hear them come up talking about rocks, that's why. It's a beautiful day, and it's the 13th. So let's see if Spirit has anything to share with us while we're out here by the river in our journey of becoming. I mean, different cards have popped out already. And I'm like, oh, let's see what comes out after I hit record. There's a dog that's sticking his head in to the river, pulling out rocks from the riverbed. And he's so proud of himself, and it's so cute. Okay. All right. Okay.
What's that?
Tarot cards. Huh? I'm recording a video. I'm doing tarot cards.
Wait, post? Or just, Oh, you're posting on YouTube?
I will, yeah.
I'm gonna sit somewhere.
Sit on the log if you like. The sun will be at your back.
Huh?
The sun will be at your back, warm you up. We have the Sun of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck, which is relatively fitting. Seeing as my stepson just decided to join us, he's definitely an Earth Angel. We had the Chariot come out first with the Ace of Swords. We've got whatever's coming in fast. I feel like I really love this card. I'll show you these two cards. This is the Chariot, and this is the Ace of Swords. I do swirlies, little spirals out of copper, and I really love this card. Gifts of intuition coming in quickly for all of my people becoming in this collective fast awakening. We're listening to our gifts. We're looking for opportunities.
Oh, and I found these.
We're looking for our opportunities. What intuitive gifts are coming in quickly? Ooh, the moon. Hidden gifts are coming in quickly. Hidden gifts coming in quickly. Oh, that's a lot. Come on, Spirit. No, not right now. The Emperor, Eight of Swords, and the Star.
I can probably skip it. Can we keep this?
Sure.
What?
Yes.
We can?
Yeah.
Yay! I'm gonna do backwards.
We had the Emperor come up, the Eight of Swords, and the Star. I was just talking to my husband about this card. Feeling like you're bound is a state of mind. Typically, especially with this card, because what tends to hold you isn't actually holding you. There's always things around you to free you from a situation. All it needs is a little light on the perspective. And I feel like for my collective that I'm in that's awakening, you may feel like our intuitive gifts have been not coming in fast enough. That's been my experience. I feel like gifts have been hidden from me. I feel like everybody gets them, but I don't. I feel like I've had so much of disempowerment, and the disempowerment is real and it's there, but everything around me is there to free me from that state of disempowerment. And while it may have been hidden because it's nighttime, coming back to the moon, this is a full moon that's on this card. And the sea is open and the way is made. I think of Moses crossing the Red Sea. Not only does she have two kinds of dogs with her, there's a crustacean coming out of the water, drawn to her energy. And the energy of that I'm feeling is definite magnetism, and the ways part open for us when we're present to that, and we can, free ourselves of this. The power of the Emperor, when we connect with our most empowered kind of divine masculine and feminine, we free ourselves from this. The sky's the limit. Nothing can hold us when we're in our state of empowerment. When we're in a state of disempowerment, we totally feel like we're Eight of Swords. And the difference between these two is like we're completely bound or we're the Emperor. So maybe the note for my team who's becoming, remember that the things that bind us up with our intuition, our intuitive gifts, are of our own making. I'm busy right now. Get in the water, rinse it off. That's disgusting. Not okay. Get in the river, rinse it off. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, Keenan. It's like strike 3 today.
Tina, we have to be good. Oh, you.
Unbelievable. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
I'm gonna put this rock.
The other thing that I'm also getting is we can shift between this and this like that. That's what I had this week. I went from completely disempowered, feeling like the Emperor or the Empress. And nothing actually changed around me but my own point of view. And really, the sky's the limit. But what I'm also really understanding is this gift of intuition. Maybe it's with me already. But I've been reaching for the sky. I want all the gifts. And all the gifts are coming in quickly. So, yes, you can keep that stick. So, for my team of becoming, all of your gifts are coming in quickly. Strap up. Yes, we get moments of disempowerment. But remember, you have everything around you to cut through those ropes. That's the message. We have everything that we need to cut through the ropes, reach for the stars. Our gifts of intuition, our gifts of clairvoyance, of clairaudience, of connecting with spirit, they're all coming. They're already with us. And stardom's in front of us. Like God of Cups. It's all coming out. It's all coming out. It's all coming. Ace of Cups. Come on. That's it. You ready to be famous? Because that's what's coming. And the sun.